Alright, this is something Nate has that I kind of want, honestly. But I figured I'd do a video on it because I had a couple of these little King of Fans heaters at one point. One of them got burned up in the fire, and the other one I cannot find. I think it's either stashed away somewhere at my grandma's or something. I don't know. I can't find it though. But anyway, this is a King of Fans Maxi Heat 2. 3-year limited warranty. UL listed. King of Fans Maxi Heat model H414. Powerful space age design. Ceramic heating elements provide 5,200 BTUs of power instantly for only pennies a day. Rotary speed control, solid state components, high efficiency turbo fans for flight operation. Portable cool touch metal cabinet, year-round climate control, provides instant heat in winter or fan-only use in summer. Rotary 3-position temperature control. Pretty neat little heater. First time I've ever seen one of these with the box. I've had 2 of them. It's made in Taiwan, which I guess is better than, whatever. China. The box just, here we go. That's all the design features, I guess. Convenient recessed carry handle. Washable air filter. Textured cool touch metal cabinet. Quiet long life turbofan provides even airflow for maximum comfort. UL approved 6-foot cord. Dang. Tip over indicator light, power indicator light. King of Fans. I believe King of Fans made a lot of ceiling fans, so. But that's that. Here's the heater. I have had like 2 of these, like I said. One of them somewhere at my grandma's, and the other one I lost in the fire. So, yeah. These are childhood though. Because growing up, my mom had a couple of these. I always liked them. We've already read all the information, but there it is again. 120 volts, 60 hertz, 1500 watts. Like any other heater out there. So, without further ado, we'll turn it on fan. Turn it on low heat. These always pushed out a lot of heat. You can have that nice heater dust smell. It's already starting to cook. Just on low. It pushes out a good amount of heat. I don't have a thermometer, or else I'd show you. Here's high heat. And this would heat a small room pretty well. I know when I had one of these, I used to use it every winter in my bedroom when I lived, what was it, like 5-6 years ago, 7 years ago now. I had one of these. I'd always use it in the winter time in my bedroom. And it did a pretty good job. Now when it got really extremely cold, it definitely pushed its limits, but still kept the room basically warm. We'll go back to fan. And let the elements cool off. Still pushing some warm air. and off. So yeah, there's the King of Fans heater. Has the filter in the back. It does have a little fan back there, as you can see. So there's that. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.